When your car starts making a strange, grinding noise, you don't pray for it to fix itself. You don't sit in the driver's seat, close your eyes, and repeat positive affirmations, hoping the engine heals. You open the hood, you look for the broken part, you pull out your tools, and you fix it. Yet, when our minds start breaking down, when we're stalled by procrastination, redlined by anxiety, or running on empty, we treat our brains like magic instead of machinery. We treat our mindsets like a mysterious vibe we can't control. Today, we change the diagnostic code. It is time to put on the overalls and become a mindset mechanic. Welcome back to the modern sage. Let's open the hood and look at how your mind actually works. The mechanic's diagnosis. Systems, not luck. A simple nerd understands a fundamental truth about human psychology. Your brain is an organic supercomputer running heavily conditioned software. Your habits, your self-doubt, and your daily fears are not personality traits. They are simply code loop patterns. They are mechanics. Think about it. If you wake up every morning, immediately check your phone, flood your system with cortisol, and then wonder why you feel anxious at noon, that is not bad luck. That is a predictable mechanical output. You ran an anxious script, and the machine delivered an anxious result. A mindset mechanic doesn't judge the machine. They don't get angry at the engine for smoking. They simply ask, what is the input that causes malfunction? If you want a different life, you have to stop fighting your emotions and start rewiring your psychological wiring. The 3 maintenance tools. To service a broken mindset, a master mechanic relies on 3 primary diagnostic tools. First, the root cause inspection. When a warning light flashes in your mind, like a sudden wave of self-doubt, do not just ignore it. Trace the wire back to source. Ask yourself, where did this thought originate? Is it based on a current fact, or is it an old, rusted memory from 5 years ago? Disconnect the dead wires. Second, tightening the logic gates. Loose thoughts create cognitive friction. If you let phrases like, I can't do this, or everything is going wrong rattle around in your brain, they damage the rest of the engine. Tighten your internal dialogue. Force your brain to speak in precise variables. Swap, everything is going wrong, for I have 2 specific problems to solve today. And third, the daily fluid flush. Every single day, your mind accumulates toxic buildup from the internet, stress, and negative environments. If you do not flush the system, the oil turns to sludge. Block out 30 minutes every single day for cognitive maintenance. Whether that is quiet reading, darkroom meditation, or writing down your logic, keep the gears clean. The sage perspective. The sages of the ancient world were the original mechanics of the human condition. They did not look for magic shortcuts to peace. They built daily rituals, heavily structured philosophies, and rigorous mental filters to keep their minds operating at peak efficiency. When you stop viewing your mind as a fragile cloud of emotions and start viewing it as a beautiful, high-performance engine, you regain total control. You stop asking the world to be easier because you know you have the tools to fix whatever breaks inside of you. The closing. Get out of the passenger seat. Open the hood. Run the diagnostics. It's time to become the mechanic of your own mind. If you are ready to fix your internal software and upgrade your life's machinery, subscribe to the Modern Sage. Leave a comment below with the 1 mental habit you need to tune up today. I'm the Modern Sage. Stay sharp. Keep building.